Good morning to all of you. Hello. Yeah, this is Mahendra. I hope you all are, enjoying your lockdown. I mean, I should not be asking this, but yeah, this is something which is very crazy situation, which has happened, once in a lifetime, and I see how to react to such situation. When see, I mean, there are a lot of seriousness, and if I, go with the seriousness, then obviously, like people will go down in their morale, and lot of people have started feeling that it's a disturbance or in terms of psychological and mental development also. See, when you are locked down, when you are inside the home, you are not able to come out. You are there with your children, you are there with your parents, and you don't know how to basically pass the time. Because see, this is something which has happened, which is a very rare moment. We can't imagine such type of situation. We never imagine this will happen. So um, when you are in this particular situation and you don't know what to do, there are lots of activities, my dear friend, which are happening. And these activities, they have been done by some people across the world. See, similar like us, who are thinking that we should be uh, controlling our thought process. We should be controlling our psychology process. There are quite a few people of a same similar views. They have been doing these activities online. What we should be doing? Why we are required to do this? See, when when you- when you are imprisoned, okay, what generally happens? You are there, behind jail, behind cage, okay. You can't move, है ना. So slowly, your thinking process start deteriorating, okay. So if you are not able to read, if you are not able to do some exercise and train your mind, you start feeling depressed, you start getting frustrated. So all these things, they hover on you, and after some point of time, you lose the hope. Okay. So this should not happen. This should not happen with the people who are there, facing similar situation where they are not able to come out of home. And that's the reason, this type of engagements are very much necessary. So what we should be doing? There are a couple of activities. They may be related to your hobbies, they may be related to your interests, they may be related to your lifestyle, they may be related to your development, may be related to your skill development, may be related to entertainment, may be related to talking to your family, may be related to sports. So many things which you can do in this period, and keep yourself engaged, keep your mind engaged. And there are beautiful things, which are already being done by some of the members who are there already there in this group. So I want to appeal all of them to start engaging people, to start their activities, to start uh, showing what they can do, what they are doing, so that other people also get engaged, they also get some inspiration, and they can also start putting their content. Now, how to do and how to go ahead? See, I can name some of my friends who are already there. You take an example of Prashant. Prashant is doing a fantastic job, okay, and he is into teaching, and he can do, he can talk on various subjects. He is versatile. Similarly, you can find Swapnali, who can teach you regarding Reikis and all those kind of short-term programs. Even Harish can do motivational programs. Okay, Abhay sir is there. He can also do some programs on corporate structuring, as well as like automation into the systems. So there are couple of ideas, and see, you have to think. It should come from you. Okay. So if you feel that this is something which I can do it better, and this is the forum where I can put it. So just go ahead, just record your video, and just publish it into the Telegram channel. Let others also see that there is something which you can do. Okay. And see, when you do that, your thought process will get open up. You will start experiencing that there is someone who is listening to you, and your thoughts will get directed to that particular goal. And you will realize that soon it is prompting you to put up everything in a proper format. So it will develop a pattern. So as you start doing this, you start with a small videos, maybe like 1 minute, 2 minute video, and just give a small demonstration of your activities. Okay, but as you keep on developing this, slowly and steadily, you will start seeing improvement also, because whatever see you are putting it in a video format, this is like expressing yourself. You see all thoughts, there are billions of thoughts which are coming in your mind, but you are ordering them, you are giving them a discipline. So you are putting it in a proper way in a recorded form. It will release your energy, and over a period of time, as you keep on recording such type of videos, it can become very good content, maybe a guiding content for the generation to come. So I I'm sure that you will experience very good thing out of it, and I hope that you start putting your content and express this energy, so that all of our members also get good benefit out of it. Bye for now. I will definitely come in my another videos, and we'll keep meeting. Thank you very much.